Yeah, good work, man.
My honest opinion, he wasn't going to make it, and I couldn't watch it happen. I don't know what to say, I'd like to think that anybody else standing there would have done the same thing. God put me there for a reason, right? I guess. He got to go home. Hopefully he cures cancer or something. He seemed to be a young man, got a lot of life ahead of him, and hopefully it's a good one. It's what we're supposed to do. We're all human beings, and life is precious, so thank God he gets to see another day. We both made it,